Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve Roman to integer question number 13 on LeetCode. Okay, in easy mode, it is not difficult, and Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols: I, V, X, L, C, Z and M. And they also mention what is I value and V value and X. All values are also mentioned here. For example 2, it written as I, and in Roman numeral just two ones added together, one, that one full stop is here, and 12, it written as XII, which is simply X plus II. Then the number 27 is written as XXVX and XX plus V plus II. Okay, I is replaced before V means 5 value and X 10, and make sure to make 4 and 9. Okay, means they are telling that if I is placed before V means 4, we have to minus it. They're saying like that way, and X is placed before L. You you have to focus here. If I less than V means we have to minus that value to become 4. You have to focus here. See, like that. X is placed L, so X is less than L. We have to minus it. 50, X value, 10, L value 50, and L 50 minus 10, 40. So we have to minus it. In this, in programming also, I follow these rules. I will tell you. And C can be placed before D. 500. 500 minus C means 100. 500 minus 100, it becomes 400. We have to minus it. If it is less than, if it is greater than, we have to add it. Okay. In example, the example given is means 3 and L 5. Okay. I am going to start coding right now. If you want to approach time complexity as much as low, we have to focus on map. So I'm using map, and I'm using in map we have to use wrapper class. I use these are character or string. Single value is always character. Don't use string. We can use it string, but it takes space complexity high. So we have to use character, and value is integer. I use this variable name as container or map. I use map only to, it is familiar to use map. So okay, I use map. New HashMap. I'm using HashMap. Okay guys, I have to put all these values into map. So there is a method is called put. So in using that method, I going to put values inside that hash map. So map dot put open bracket, it is a character, so I have to use single quote, and make sure it is a capital. They also mention here, in example they are only mentioning capital letters only. See, constraints, yes, contains only the letters I, V, X, L. Those are only capital letters. So we have we have to use capital. Okay. I value is 1. Map dot put V. V value is 5. Map dot put X, comma X value is 10. map dot put L. Make sure it's single quote, don't use double quote, it consider as a string. L value is 50. Map dot put C, and it is capital, don't mention in here small letter, they're passing only capital letter, so you have to pass, you have to write caps. Dot put D. D value is 500. Map dot put M. M value is 1000. Okay guys, I added all those values into map. Map is a kind of container right now. Okay, I added all those values. Now we have to return integer value. They are saying here integer, we have to return it, so that value must be a result. Take a result, or yeah, int value. I take a int value, int val, so it is a, we have to return, it is a result value. Okay, don't forget naming convention, I use good int value, roman to int, so I use int val is equal to 0 right now. And we need in here, see, I is can be replaced before, I is replaced before v, means we need to read previous value. So in here we need to read int pre means previous value val is equal to 0. Right now I am not read any value, so it is 0. Okay, we need to use for loop. I use for int I is equal to 0 and I less than string s dot length minus 1. It is a index value, so we have to minus 1. It is less than, it will take. Okay, if it is less than or equal to, if we mention here, like we have to use minus 1 and I increment. Make sure guys, in reading we go left, right to left. In programming we have to go left to right. So in here we have to go left to right, greater than or equal to 0, and make sure you have to decrement the value, not increment. Okay, so what we have to do right now, we have to read string value at last. So I is already focusing at last value, length s dot length minus 1, it is already focusing on last value, so we have to read string value. So s dot char at I. So in this case it is not a array, we don't use rectangle box, it is a string, so we have to use char hat. Char hat, and using character we have to take that value. So in map I have to read that value, so what I have to do, in here just take map dot get, put that value, character string last value, so in this case we gonna read that value. Okay, did you understand guys? This is for reading string last character, and using that we have to take that value using map. Okay, it will return a int value, I use val. Okay, it is, we gonna read roman, I use here roman roman val int, roman val int. Using roman we take int value. Okay, okay, we have to take, you have to check previous value, so previous value is less than, we have to minus it. So if that current value roman val int is less than previous value. Here I using previous value. In that we not get a previous value. This is the first value, so I have to use 0. Okay, and if it is less than, we have to minus it. Int val, it is the result. Int val minus is equal to that current val. Okay, I hope guys you understand what I'm saying right now. Else 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 we have to add it. If it is greater than, we have to add it, right? Int, I use copy paste, int plus that current value, and update the previous value using previous val. Previous value is equal to that current value rom, and return here, just simple return int val, that result. Int val is result, guys, don't mismatch it. I hope you can understood what I am saying right now. Why I minus? Because they mention here can be placed before. If I is less than current value, we have to minus it. So that's why I use here. Current value is less than, we have to minus it, else we have to place it. Okay, I will run here. Let's go. Yeah, I got a error. Why? I forget semicolon. Okay, let's go. Still I got a error. Why? Yes dot length. Why? Guys, in string, length is method. I consider as a it is a array, so I forget to open and close bracket. Okay, it is good to go. Yeah guys, see, all test cases running smoothly, and current runtime is 0. I will submit this code. Let's go, what will happen. Yeah, we successfully done. In using this map, I use 4 millisecond microsecond. Okay guys, uh, in next time I will ensure that value current time runtime is 2 millisecond. Bitch. Okay guys, this is all. Thank you for watching this video. Bye, see you on next video.